we're starting the day with a nice solid 60 single. It's been kind of a weird week. Some days have been great, some have been really slow. This batch is gonna put me over 2,000 on the week, and it's still early in the day on Sunday, so we're gonna try to make a lot of money today. Hopefully go for maybe, 350, 400 at least. Sounds like everybody's working on something right now, so that's a good sign for today. Look at these beats. All right, we're gonna head up to Tierra Santa, drop this off. Welcome to another Sunday, guys. Okay, we just dropped that one off in Tierra Santa. We're making our way out right now. We got that up to 63, starting the day off with a repeat, and we're heading back down to Mission Valley to try to find our next batch. Today seems good. I'm getting notifications for batches as we speak right now, and hopefully today is a very lucrative Sunday. Hopefully you guys are out there killing it today, no matter what day you're watching this. Let's keep that high energy and keep staying on the clock today. All right, we just picked up a 47 downtown Ralph's single. It's like 30 something items, should be really easy. Everything has a $2 boost on it until noon. Right now it's 11:40, so after I drop this off, I'm not gonna see anything boosted unless it's actually boosted. Volume is ridiculous. I had like 8 or 9 batches on my screen hidden before I got this one. Now this is the thing, one of my buddies just took his first order at Costco at like 11:30. It was a 47 double, and he said he was waiting for a banger. Now I get it, there are going to be bangers, and there's rumors that there was a 400 somewhere today. It's not confirmed yet, so it's just hearsay, but that's what happens. Everyone hears about bangers, triple digits, and they're like, yeah, I'm gonna wait and get one of those. Nothing's guaranteed. Sometimes you could sit all day and not see a single order over 50. You have to take what they give you. Now and then you run into bangers, you run into triple digits. You just can't look for them all the time. There are specific times where I will wait for something like a triple digit. Now that's only if I'm like up 300 on the day and it's only 4 o'clock, and I'm like, okay, I can actually wait and waste 45 minutes to an hour if I want to, looking for a triple digit. But that's the thing, sometimes they don't come. So my advice is to just keep moving, stay on the clock, keep stacking those numbers, because the number at the end of the day is the most important number. It's not about who got the highest batch in your county or city or state. It's about how much you made at the end of the day. That's the most important thing. So we're heading downtown, we're gonna run this. This will put us over 100, and we're gonna keep moving, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. All right, we just finished it up. Took about 20 minutes, so now we're gonna go check out and get out of here. Thankfully, the store is not that packed today, so hopefully we can find a good line and get out of here quick. The one nice thing about getting orders downtown, and when they're singles, obviously, is that everything's really close. So this is like not even a mile. We're going up the street right here. I wanted to talk about one thing. Now, I don't know if it's just me, but I get kind of annoyed when Instacart shoppers in front of me are not helping bag their own stuff and they're just standing there. Like, when there's not a bagger and the checker literally comes around to bag their stuff after scanning it, I don't know why that pisses me off. It's like, don't you want to get in and out of the store quickly, get your order dropped off, that way you can get another one? It's all about being able to make more money. Or am I crazy for thinking that? I wish more Instacart shoppers had more initiative when it came to bagging their own things and being efficient, because I'm all about efficiency. When I'm working, I'm trying to be efficient. I want to make as much as I can today, so therefore I'm going to get in and out of the store as quick as I can and get to the next batch. But let me know your guys' thoughts on this, because I don't know. Like, let me know. Am I the only one that gets annoyed when Instacart shoppers in front of me don't bag their stuff? But yeah, I'd like to hear your guys' opinion on this. So we're about to drop this off and get to our next one. Shout out to this Amazon guy taking up the whole spot in front of the building that I'm supposed to deliver to, and he's literally over there. Like, come on, bro. I have to park in red. Guys, guess what I finally got? Just kidding, it's not mine, it's my girlfriend's cart. But this thing is literally, I'm fearless with this thing. I've saved my back a couple times in the last few days. This thing's nice. Easy to break down. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna go drop this off and I'll let you guys know where we go after. Okay, so we're here in Mission Valley at Fenton Costco. I just picked up a 63 single Vons in Mission Hills about 6 minutes ago, so I'm about to roll out to do that. Here with Heaven, she got back from running a 50 about 35 minutes ago. She's not seeing much right now.
Yeah.
But we're trying to manifest this 90 for her right now.
Oh
because,
yeah, a 90.
Yeah, so...
A single.
The 50 she ran was what, 14 items?
Yeah.
It's like 14 items going into North Park. Easy delivery, one house, one apartment. Every batch is boosted today. Everything is boosted the entire day by $2. So it's kind of weird seeing the little flame by every single batch, even if it's a good batch. Kind of throws me off a little. But I'm gonna roll out. Heaven's gonna stay here, pick up a triple-digit banger, and she's gonna let me know in a few minutes. Heaven, do you have anything to say to people for advice on Sundays? What's your goal today, Heaven? Like, what's the goal for you today? What are you trying to hit your promo? You have a 6 batch for 30 extra.
So the goal today is for me to hit my promo 6 batches for 30 extra dollars, and I'm hoping I get a good amount of Costco orders. Yesterday I got 3 really good orders and made like 190. So I'm hoping
3 batches for 190.
Yeah, I'm hoping to get over maybe 250, and hopefully I get another Costco order. They were showing me so many earlier this morning. I was literally staring at double 40s that were really good. And
but you're being picky?
Yeah, I was being picky because they were sitting there. So if they're sitting there, I'm thinking, oh, they're gonna show me something bigger. And
so mindset right now, are you thinking I need to take the next 40 double? Like that's pretty easy.
Yeah, when I got here, they showed me a 48 double for 36 items, which honestly is pretty good.
It's not terrible,
but
yeah.
I struggle, myself, I struggle with high items in Costco. I usually like doing orders that are under 20 items, and I even take a long time doing that, but that's what I'm comfortable with. So yeah, hopefully I get something, and
it'll come.
Yeah, it being close to the holiday, it's gonna be pretty good.
Just don't be too picky. If you know, like when I'm waiting for 45 minutes, close to an hour, no matter what store I'm at, if it's Costco or another grocery store, after 45 minutes of waiting, if I've passed on a few, I'm literally in my mindset, I'm like, okay, next decent 40 or even like a 30 single, like I'm just gonna run it real quick, come back, because sometimes Instacart stops showing you batches. The more you pass up, I have this theory that
I don't know if that's true.
I don't know
if that's true.
I feel personally, if I turn down a lot of batches, they slowly but surely stop showing me batches. Like, oh, you don't want to work? Well, we're not going to throw you batches. Like, just a theory. I don't know.
They show you more batches when you do them, and then you get a compliment.
Yeah, maybe. I'm just saying, like,
yesterday I got a compliment. I kept seeing words.
Interesting.
I think it has to do with how your rating is and your feedback.
Yeah. Well,
maybe,
guys, drop your theories.
Let us know what you think.
Drop your theories down below. We have a million theories that we talk about. So I'm going to roll out to Vaughn's. I'm going to run this 63. It's a new customer, so it's great to have a new customer tipping good in the algo. Heaven's going to stay here and get something good.
Yeah, I'll stay here.
And we'll let you guys know what we
get
get next.
I don't know how long I'll wait.
We'll see you guys at Vaughn's. At this Vaughn's, they have a cool escalator here. Throw your card on that thing. So we're gonna take a picture, load the subs, get on our way. He's like a mile away. This is so nice. Okay, so I thought this wasn't a repeat. I thought this was, it said new customer, but it must have been her husband ordering, because I remember this steep driveway. I delivered here like a week ago. So we're gonna load these up real quick. We gotta scan his ID, and then we're gonna head to an area with more stores. So let's get this up there and finish this job. So last week when I delivered here, his wife ordered, he said, and so he must have created a brand new account. But I remember this driveway is so steep, and I drove up it last time. There's nowhere to turn around up there. So this time I remembered to back up there, and it makes it a lot easier, especially with the backup camera. That puts us just around 180 on the day. We're going to get out of here. It's about 2:23 right now. Hopefully the day stays busy. Okay, so both Heaven and I just got inside. She waited a long time, but she picked up a 40 just now for what, 12 items? 12 items going to Coronado. I picked up a 58. It's going down the street. A lot of heavy stuff, but should be easy. We're gonna run through this. Both are, low items, and it shouldn't be too terrible to shop because it seems like it's not that busy in here right now.
He hasn't shopped this Costco in so long.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
I'll have to help you.
All right, we're gonna run these. All right, this is Heaven's flat. Pretty easy. She had a propane tank on it. Looks a lot heavier than it is. So I just loaded my stuff up. I'm gonna go take mine, drop it off. Heaven's gonna do the same, and probably come back for one more here. All right, we got that one up to 60. Both were apartments, but they weren't that bad. That one had an elevator, even though it was on the 3rd floor. Very good tip split between both of them. It was very even. One of them was 19. I think they were 19, and the one before that was 20 something. So very good order. All right, let's get a quick view of that beautiful sunset, beautiful sky. Okay, we just picked up a 53 Costco double, 16 items. Most likely gonna be our last Costco for the day. It's getting dark. Costco closes in about an hour and 20 minutes, so we're gonna make this quick. Hopefully the store's not too terrible. It was really busy last time. I don't know why I said it wasn't. So we're gonna run in and run this real quick. Okay, we got that one dropped off. Really good split. I actually didn't expect customer B to be tipping $14. They only had 3 cases of sparkling water and like 3 other items. So I really appreciate them tipping well. Customer A tipped 18 flat. We're going to Mission Valley. We're gonna be there before 6 o'clock and we're gonna look for another order. We're just under 300 right now. So I'm gonna catch a quick charge. Once again, it's dark outside, but there will be good orders. So we just have to be ready for them. I'll let you guys know what we get next. Okay, so since the last time I filmed, I ran a quick 29 Ralph's. It did get dead. Like, I stopped seeing volume, but I went to La Jolla because I wanted to switch things up a little bit, see if I could, have some luck out in La Jolla. And I ended up catching this right here, which is in Solana Beach. I debated canceling it because I didn't want to drive 15 minutes up north, but it's a good tip. Very low items, super easy, and I figure it gets me, over like 370, so I might as well run it and see if they toss me anything after to get me over 400. If not, I'm gonna be happy with the numbers that I have today, and we might go home after this batch. So I'm gonna take care of this really quick, drop it off. It has alcohol, so I had to drive up here to shop it here. It's actually a really good order for 7:30 p.m. at night. I'm not complaining, it's been a really good day. I'm gonna take care of this real quick and see if they throw me one more before I can go home tonight. Okay, so clearly we made it back home. We didn't run another order after that last one. Got it up to 45. Ended the day on 369 on 7 batches, so it was a very good day. And if I wanted to stay out later, I could have hit 400, but decided to come home. Very hungry, didn't eat anything today. So we're gonna have dinner here pretty soon. I'll give you guys the breakdown of the day at the end of the video like I always do. And I hope you guys are out there killing it, and let's get ready for another good week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.